to you live from the Premier League, where we uncover the comeback of this prestigious Manchester City.
I guess Manchester is blue.
I'm Curtis Robinson.
And I'm Michael Hubbs. And we will be bringing you the latest news from soccer worldwide.
After their 2-0 defeat from Liverpool, Manchester City has 23 points from 13 matches this season, with just 7 wins. Many feel like this is the end of an era from one of the most powerful Premier League clubs in soccer history.
Hold on, folks. This just in. Manchester City crushes Nottingham Forest with a 3-0 defeat. Kevin De Bruyne, the City midfielder, and Jeremy Doku, the City winger, joined together and scored 3 goals, winning them the game and ending their winless streak.
After the game, Pep Guardiola, the manager for City, said that a new era has begun and City will push through and beat Liverpool and claim their 9th title.
After a long 2023 to 2024 season, Kyle Walker, Phil Foden, John Stones, and Rodrigo Hernandez, known as Rodri, have all been given extended breaks for the 2024 to 2025 season.
Also, former UCL winner, World Cup winner, and many La Liga titles, Sergio Ramos, has been released from Sevilla after a winning season. He has tried offering himself to Real Madrid, where he dominated the soccer world during the 16th season he played for them. He brought them many titles, but Real Madrid said that they are not in his plans. This has saddened the soccer community, and fans say that this may be the final straw for him to retire. But in late 2023, Sevilla and their friends welcomed Sergio back, which brought them into tears.
Enough with Ramos. Let's talk about Cristiano Ronaldo, a former Ballon d'Or winner, multiple title winner, and overall goat of football. He is considered whether he should stay at Al Nassr or if he should go back to Madrid. He has not won a title since 2021, which has disappointed fans. This is the last year of his record-breaking contract with Al Nassr. Fans are wondering if this will be the end of one of the most iconic soccer players.
Now back to La Liga, Kylian Mbappe is reportedly starting off with a rough start at Real Madrid, with a record of over 8 offsides called in the El Clasico, October 26, 2024, which, if you didn't know, is Barcelona versus Real Madrid. This match resulted in a loss for Real Madrid, which shattered fans as well as their record. If they had won the game, they would break Barcelona's games without loss record, over 30 matches. In the end, Barcelona crushed Real Madrid and brought them to their feet.
On the older side of players, Lionel Messi has been named the 2024 Landon Donovan MLS Most Valuable Player, following a campaign in which he captained Inter Miami to their first ever Supporter Shield as top club in the regular season. In his first full MLS season, after joining Miami in July 2023, Messi had 20 goals and 16 assists in 19 matches, while his club set a league record with a 74-point campaign before a stunning first-round elimination from the playoffs. For Messi, the MVP award is yet another accolade in his illustrious career that includes a World Cup winner's medal and a record of 8 Ballon d'Or awards as the world's best soccer player.
Earlier this year, the Euros commenced, and Spain brought home their 4th Euros title. They were facing the highly controversial team, England. In almost all of the Euros, England has been one of the bottom teams, despite their amazing players. Some of their best players are, but not limited to, Jude Bellingham, Harry Kane, Cole Palmer, Bukayo Saka, Phil Foden, Jack Grealish, Marcus Rashford, Declan Rice, Jordan Pickford, Kyle Walker, Ollie Watkins, and last but not least, Trent Alexander-Arnold and Harry Maguire. These dominant players were brought to their worst by their manager, Gav Southgate. This report from the soccer world has been brought to you by Curtis Robinson
and Michael Hubbs.
Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next report.
Signing out.